In the year 1994, the government of Kenya announced the vision of Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, a new technology institution. This was because the government wanted to capitalize on Kenya's fast-growing economy, its booming technology sector, and its well-educated population.
What I can say about technology in Jomo Kenyatta is that the technology that is here, which is basically gotten from the department that I'm based. So far, what I can say is that the experience is not that bad, and the students that I meet around aren't complaining about it. And those who have also graduated from this school, I haven't heard anyone who is complaining about the technology in here. So I believe that the technology inside here is very much okay.
Meanwhile, the media has started to talk about Kenya's very first investors, born of Jkuat fraternity of SportPesa, M-Pesa, and mobile banking, and how one day Jkuat may rise with India and China as a high technology giant. Jkuat has shifted its progress of technology and is now focusing on local physical development plan.
Currently inside here, students are doing a lot as far as projects and everything is concerned to come up with new technologies and innovations. And when we go out there, the students who graduated from this place also doing well as far as innovations are concerned. And you look at some of the students who left this place, and you see that they've come up with technologies like M-Pesa and some other good technologies that are helping so much outside there.
Contrary to that, something that the institution has left out on the most basic technological necessities, which among them include the improvement of the strength of Wi-Fi in school premises, online issuing of exam cards, online booking of hostels, use of elevators instead of the fleet of stairs, especially in the new science complex, which is one of the tallest buildings in school, and kill the long queues.
Personally, about the technology in the campus, I do not support it 100%, especially during exam times when you have to queue for like a whole week queuing for an exam card. And also about the Wi-Fi, it's not all over the school campus. Sometimes you need to walk kilometers so that you can reach to places where there are Wi-Fi. And most of the time when you go to the library to search for a book or borrow a book, you're told that the systems are down. And even when you go back later, you can't get the books. So to me, I think the technology in the campus is not 100% compared to the school of technology.
Jkuat is a good institution, though in one or another we doubt the word that is called technology. Because when you go to like finance, the line is just too long, of which you expect like being a technology school, the technology about finance, it should be very easy and accessible for everybody. Then when you look at sometimes when teaching in classes, at least there could be some innovation whereby like we're using computers, projectors, all that, at least to enhance the name technology. So basically, Jkuat is a good institution, but technology is just very down. So maybe something can be done about it.
Technology in Jkuat is currently doing okay. That's my current view at the current moment. I cannot really say much about it, but as a student doing IT and a programmer, I have totally benefited from it. But in terms of usage in Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is kind of slow, like around Jkuat.
there are so many challenges that we are facing in this institution as far as technology is concerned, and some of them, when you look at it, you find that we have problems when we are accessing our gates. You want to come in and you have to produce your ID every time you come in and out. You look at the student finance, there's a lot of, there are so many problems in that department. You also look at the way we access the exam cards and our results. And again, the other thing that is a challenge is when it comes to the unit registration. When we are registering or being admitted back every semester. So those are some of the challenges that we are facing in the university. But hopefully we are going to get solutions for each soon.
The efficiency at which our technology operates. Let's say, for instance, serving students or issuing exam cards, updating our student portal is not that effective.
So what can you tell the administration?
I would like the administration to at least revamp it.
So instead of the results being kept on the notice board, they could be found in the portal.
I believe that there are some kind of innovations that we can come up with, and come up with systems that can allow us avoid such kind of queuing, because it really takes a lot of time. And considering the fact that Jkuat has got so many students, so what I propose is that we can come up with a certain innovation, a system that can help us reduce the queues. Once someone pays their fees in the bank, it just reflects on the university website, and then now that at least a fee payment portal exists, I think that is enough. What I can tell the students who want to give up when it comes to technology, if you are currently pursuing any technology-related course, my advice is that kindly don't drop. Technology is a hot cake. So you drop technology and you are gone. You look at where we are heading to, and the kind of technologies that are coming up. That is what the world is waiting us to do. There is a lot to do, so there is no point of giving up when it comes to technology.
Subject that Jkuat is still being designed from ground up in a destiny to be a great place to work, to live, study, for business, and to sprout innovators. The vision of Jkuat is fast becoming a reality, and now is the time to get involved.